What's up guys, PC here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sure that all of you must have heard about Lamborghini and Ferrari. But do you know there's a story behind it? If you don't, stick to this video till the end and you may find out how such huge businesses are created. So it all started in the minds of Ferruccio Lamborghini, obviously the founder of Lamborghini. He was born in the family of grape farmers, but he was not interested in his family's occupation, farming basically. He was more into mechanics, cars, automobiles and stuff. So what he did, he started a company named Lamborghini, which used to take the old military machines and repurpose them into agriculture supplies, basically tractors. Now with this tractor business, he became a very wealthy man. And like anyone who comes into wealth, he bought various luxury cars, including a Ferrari. Now Ferruccio Lamborghini was so much into cars that he began racing most of the cars he bought, and by doing so, he observed that there needed a change in all the cars he raced. And when it came to racing a Ferrari, he observed it was too noisy and rough on the ground, and there were other issues as well. Since he was so good at mechanics, he decided to tell Ferrari some changes that will improve the quality and the performance of their cars. Ferrari at that time was considered to be the best in the lineup. There was no competition to it. When he told them, they didn't appreciate the young tractor mechanic telling them about the imperfections. Ferrari believed Lamborghini didn't know a thing about his cars or cars in general. When Ferrari told Lamborghini he didn't want advice from a tractor mechanic, a rivalry had begun. Lamborghini took this insult as a driving force and decided to start producing their own luxury cars. Now many people believe that he was crazy for wanting to build a sports car to compete with Ferrari. Ferrari had years on him and was already quite wealthy by the time Lamborghini had been built. People believed that wanting to build a car as great as Ferrari was impossible. They believed it was too risky, as they usually do. But with such a determination, within 4 months, Lamborghini was about to reveal their first car, Lamborghini 350 GTV, at the Turin Motor Show in October of 1963. By the end of 1964, Lamborghini had sold his first 13 cars. The name had eventually changed to 350 GT. Lamborghini brought competition to Ferrari. Lamborghini decided to pursue other businesses and he became a very wealthy man before he was 50 years old. By the early 1960s, Lamborghini had become almost as powerful and wealthy as Ferrari. And let me tell you, building a successful automobile business is very difficult as it requires huge investment and the risk is also very high. But Lamborghini was able to do it. You know why? Because he believed in himself. And that's the message of this video. Never stop believing in yourself. If you believe in yourself, everything is possible. Okay, that's it. Please do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you think it was worth it. Another request to please share this as much as possible to your friends who love business stories. Comment down below if you believe in yourself. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay calm, stay amazed. Bye.